Hello students, let's start exercise 8.1 of trigonometry. Exercise 8.1, question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB is given 24 cm, BC is 7 cm. Find the value of sin A and cos A. First, draw a diagram. ABC is a right angle triangle with right angle at B. We can write A and C on any side, both are acute angles. AB is given 24 cm and BC is given 7 cm. We have to find AC and triangle ABC. As you all know, we can apply Pythagoras in a right angle triangle. What is AC? Hypotenuse, and hypotenuse whole square equals to base का whole square plus perpendicular का whole square. AC का whole square equals to BC का whole square plus AD whole square. AC whole square equals to what is BC? 7 का whole square plus 24 whole square. That is 49 plus 576. AC square equals to 625. And what will be the value of AC? Root 625. That is plus minus 25, but we will take only plus 25 because length of hypotenuse or length of any side cannot be negative. Clear? Now we have to find the value of sin A and cos A. What is sin A? What is the formula of sin A? This is A. Which is the opposite side of sin A? Of A is BC. Sin A is BC upon what is hypotenuse? AC. BC is 7 centimeters upon 25. Clear? Cos A. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, which is the adjacent side of A. AB upon AC. That is 24 by 25. Got it? Second part, we have to find the values of sin C and cos C. Sin C, here is C. What is sin? Sin is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Which is the opposite side to C? AB upon AC. That is 24 by 25. Cos C, which is the adjacent side to C? BC. Therefore, cos C is BC upon AC. That is 7 by 25. Got it? Pause the video and note it down. Question number 2, 3 are similar. Let's do question number 4. Question number 4. It is given 15 cot A equals to 8. Find the value of sin A and sec A. Clear? 15 cot A. 15 cot A equals to 8. We have to find the value of cot A. What is cot A? 15 cot A means 15 into cot A. We can find the value of cot A by taking 15 here. Here 15 is multiplied. On going right hand side it will divide. Cot A is 8 by 15. Draw a figure. Cot A. Here it will be A. Cot A. Let this is B. This is C. Right angle triangle. Trigonometric ratios always apply in a right angle triangle. Cot is adjacent side upon opposite side. This is 8 and this is 15. Clear? Which is the adjacent side to A? AB upon BC. First we have to find AC by applying Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, AC का whole square equals to AB का whole square plus BC का whole square. We have to find AC square equals to 8 का whole square plus 15 का whole square. AC square equals to 64 plus 225. What will you get? 289. What is AC? Under root 289, that is plus minus 17, and we will take only positive value. Value of AC is 17 units. Okay, what we have to find? Sin A. What will be sin A? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Which is the opposite side of angle A? BC upon AC. That is 15 by 17. Next, what we have to find? Sec A. What is sec A? 1 upon cos A. Or what we can write? Sec A is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Which is hypotenuse? AC upon AB. That is 17 by 8. Clear? Pause the video and note it down. Next question is, let's do question number 6. Question number 5 you can do it yourself. Let's do question number 6. Angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B. It is given that cos A equals to cos B and A and B both are acute angles. Show that, what we have to show, that angle A equals to angle B. We have to show this. Clear? A and B are acute angles. Let's first draw a right angle triangle. In this triangle, A and B both are acute. This is right angle. Then here we can take A and B. You can interchange them both. It will be C. Clear? Now, A and B both are acute. It is given that cos A equals to cos B. What is cos A? Cos A is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Which is the adjacent side of A? AC upon AB. Clear? Next, cos B. Which is the adjacent side to B? BC upon hypotenuse AB. Now, cos A equals to cos B. Therefore, AC upon AB equals to BC upon AB. Both fractions are equal. Now, if denominators are equal, then numerators will also be equal. This shows AC equals to BC. Now, in this triangle, AC and BC both are equal. Two sides of a triangle are equal. Since AC equals to BC, therefore angle A equals to angle B as per isosceles triangle property. In an isosceles triangle, what isosceles triangle says? In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Suppose ABC is an isosceles triangle. If AB equals to AC, then it is an isosceles triangle. And if both sides are equal, then angle B equals to angle C. You can also write it as converse of isosceles triangle property. If these two angles, angle B and angle C, are equal, then AB equals to AC. Here we get AC equals to BC. Therefore, angle A equals to angle B. Clear? Next, question number 7. We have given cot theta equals to 7 by 8. What we have to find? 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta to 1 minus cos theta. Okay. As you all know, we have a property A minus B into A plus B. What is this property? A minus B into A plus B. That is A ka whole square minus B ka whole square is A plus B, A minus B. We have to evaluate. We have to find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta will give 1 ka whole square minus sin square theta upon 1 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा और कॉस थीटा का होल स्क्वायर. गॉट इट. व्हाट इज गिवन? कॉट थीटा इक्वल्स टू 7/8. व्हाट इज कॉट थीटा? ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम. Let this is angle theta. It is ABC, a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. It is theta. What is cot theta? Cot theta is adjacent side upon opposite side. Adjacent side is 7, opposite is 8. What we have to find out? Hypotenuse. As per Pythagoras, AC का whole square equals to AB square plus BC square. Got it? AC square equals to 8 का square plus 7 का whole square, that is 64 plus 49. This is 113. And what will be the value of AC? Under root. Here we have got AC. Now what we have to find? Value of 1 minus sin square theta and 1 plus sin square theta. 1 minus. What will be the value of sin theta? Sin theta. Hypotenuse is root 113. What is value of sin theta? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Which is side opposite to theta? AB. AB upon AC. AB is 8 units upon root 113. And what is cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. This is 7/√13. Now evaluate 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin theta का whole square, that is 8 upon 113 upon 1 minus 7 upon 130 whole square. Got it? Now I am rubbing it. Now students, you will get 64/113 upon 1 minus 49/130. Let's take LCM. 113 minus 64/113 minus 49 upon 113. In both the cases, numerator and denominator, we both have fractions. 113 is cancelled. 113 minus 64, 49 upon 64. This is the answer. Hope you understood it. We'll do next questions in the next class.